Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Microsoft Excel EV Charging Cost Tracker Template easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Microsoft Excel EV Charging Cost Tracker Template, first, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft Excel EV Charging Cost Tracker Template and press enter. Look through the search results for a reliable source, such as Microsoft's official website or trusted template repositories. Click on the link that leads you to the template download page. Once you're on the page, review the template description to ensure it meets your needs. Locate the download button on the page. It's usually labeled Download or Get Template. Click the download button to start the downloading process. Choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file. Wait for the download to complete. This may only take a few seconds. After the download is finished, navigate to the folder where you saved the file. Locate the downloaded template, which should be an Excel file. Double-click the file to open it in Microsoft Excel. If prompted, enable editing to begin using the template. Now you can input your EV charging data into the tracker. Make sure to save your work frequently to avoid losing any information. Familiarize yourself with the features of the template to make the most of it. You are now ready to effectively track your EV charging costs using the template. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.